Hello guys, welcome to Cryptoment. Today topic is Dogecoin. For reasons why Dogecoin price will fall to 1 cent. Dogecoin price from a macro perspective is still a favorable chart as $1 targets should be reached in years to come. However, such a prosperous trajectory hardly ever comes without smart money involvement in the crypto space. Liquidity levels will likely be tested before the Dogecoin price can catapult to higher targets. Dogecoin price is on pace for a catastrophic decline. Dogecoin price shows multiple confluence signals pointing at a future decline. The historical parallel channel resides in the 2 cent zone, which has yet to be breached. A Fibonacci retracement tool surrounding the all-time lows to all-time highs has a 61.8% Fibonacci level at 1 cent. Lastly, the current 8 cent sideways consolidation yields the belief that one more sharp decline is in the cards to balance the overall declining structure. Dogecoin price displays low volume as the price declines, which is bearish in the short term but a good signal for macro targets. The lack of bullish involvement means investors are unwilling to do business at the current 8 cents levels. A discounted Dogecoin price could be the catalyst before the next bull run occurs. For this reason, investors should keep the 1 cent as a probable outcome for the Dogecoin price. Invalidation of the bearish thesis is a breach above $0.125. If the bulls breach this level, a rise to 16 cents could occur, resulting in a 100% increase from the current Dogecoin price.